Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Bravo Espresso machine back with us for warranty repair. So pretty much what we did is it came back after we had replaced the flow meter and we put this new metal knob on it. And it came back because it stopped steaming. It was almost like as if it was something stopping it from the steam coming out of here, so it was pushing it through the bottom where it would normally release when you turn off the lever to release all the excess steam. And so we had to open up the case. We took the whole steam assembly out completely and opened it up. There was a lot of scale buildup inside of the assembly. Plus there was a lot of burnt milk towards the bottom here. And then there's just a lot in this wand. So when we were doing the test on it originally, it didn't clog itself. But when the customer received the machine back and took it home, they made one drink with it and it clogged itself at the wand. So pretty much what we did is we took the whole assembly out. I had soaked it in our descaling solution to try to get as much scale out as possible. And then I also took this whole wand off. I filled it up with, again, our descaling solution and taped on both ends so that it could sit in there for a while just to make sure there wasn't any scale in here. And then for this knob, we used Rinza, which is what you would use to clean out milk and calcium. So we did do that to here too, and after that we did scrub it with a steel brush to try to clean it out, and it should be working perfectly. I've been testing it for a little bit here already, for about a little under an hour. So now we're going to test the steam again. We're going to let it run until it stops running, just to make sure that it's running well. So we're going to turn on the steam. As you can see, it's going to start running. I'm going to get this just so we don't put steam in the machine. We're going to let that run until it stops running. But yeah, I do have pictures if I grab my phone out here while we wait. Let me find them. So here is the scale buildup. One of the pictures for the scale buildup. It's kind of hard to see because it's bright. Let me see if I can lower brightness. So you can see all of that is scale. It was pretty rough to scrub out. After I did descale it, a lot of it came off, but there's a lot of corrosion, so I did scrub it quite a bit. And that goes straight to your steam wand, so you can only imagine what was in there. This is the spring inside of that hole, also filled with stuff. And then let me see. Here is the front of the actual steamer, full of burnt milk and stuff like that, so we did have to soak it in calcium. There's stuff to break down calcium. As you can see, it's running well, still running. Of course, there won't be anything to block anything. Now it's going to stop itself because it ran out. We're going to turn it off. Then we're going to test the hot water function, just make sure the lever is working right, because we did take the whole assembly out, so just to make sure everything's functioning correctly. As you can see, everything's running well. Steam, hot water, everything is looking good. So it should be working normally. And if you like this repair, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.